So this is what I've been working on right here, guys. This is my AC blower motor for my car. Now everything is back up and running. I did order a part. Now here's a little tip for you guys here, and here's obviously my packing material that the part came in. So here's my tip. It's a lot cheaper to buy a part that has come out of a wrecked car that is still fully functioning if you want to save money. Now if money is no issue, of course, buy brand new genuine parts or OEM parts. Put them in if you want, obviously, like longevity, like long longevity, right? But I don't mind buying a genuine BMW part from a wrecked car. What happens is these cars go into these shops after they're wrecked. The car shops pull out all the parts, resell the parts on eBay to make a little bit of extra dollars, so they part out the car because it's not worth it to scrap it for metal. So they'll pull everything, then probably scrap the metal later on down the road. Anyway, we've put in our new blower motor. My AC is now working now. It's absolutely fantastic. And so that is absolutely fantastic news.